Aiden. Aiden. She pushed herself off of it and back now. She slid herself all the way off.
I couldn't find the USB cable.
Oh, that's alright. It uses mine anyways.
Okay.
I didn't need the dock, but okay.
It charges faster than the USB does. LP higher.
Denial, anger, bark, depression, acceptance.
Oh, of course, we're not thinking suicide. You're in stage denial.
What stage are you in?
Peter.
Yeah, okay.
Well, she wanted Peter. I put her last time. He's on camera right now. She slid off her cushion now.
Okay, well, I'll feed her if you want me to.
You want to feed her on camera?
No, not really. I don't really want to lay down.
Sit on the floor with her. And say, Mom. Mom.
Mom does not want to feed baby girl on the floor, so you guys can all suffer for a few minutes.
Aiden. Sweetie. Sweetie. Sweetie.
She's hungry.
Sweetie. Extreme close up. Extreme close up. Extreme close up.
That's the problem with the game today. No fun.
Hi, baby girl.
Did you ever read the time of your life?
Hi, baby girl.
Yeah.
Is that all you wanted? You picked
No
up for a little bit?
fun.
And you
Say hi, Mom.
We were grown.
Girl?
What are you doing?
Yeah, that's all you wanted.
She wanted. What'd you just say?
Oh,
No, I said all you wanted.
that's good.
Oh, baby girl, you guys want to be picked up and helped by mommy and
Oh,
daddy?
sure. That's what you want to
Look
do.
around everywhere.
Bounce a slider with the man on third.
Yeah?
These kids today.
Haha, you're on camera.
Ew. Oh,
Here.
You're on YouTube with her.
Myself.
hi, baby girl. Is that all you wanted?
What do you want?
With me?
No question.
Stupid movie, but it's okay.
Get this back. Just lay it out, huh? 6 months. In a year if we're lucky. And there is an experimental program that we can conduct and get your hopes up that I think you would be an excellent candidate for that. Sitting at
Hey,
the
now,
yes.
long in my view.
Sorry. Anyway, everybody, if there's any questions, day or night, you know where to find me.
One question.
Sure, of course.
Carter, you want to ask Dr. Malone something?
What are you doing?
Yeah, I'm not familiar with Mr. Chambers.
Well, get familiar. I just wanted to know how I stand, so.
Sure. I'll go take a look at your chart.
gonna
said
go,
that once.
and I was telling her I wasn't sure about going,
1,000
so I asked
people
her if she was
asked if
going,
they could
right?
know in advance.
Because we
Would
don't
they
have the
want to
Thunder
know the
Club,
exact
right?
day
And
of
she's
that
like,
day?
no, we can't.
96% of
We're
them
trying to do it for
said no.
Disneyland next weekend. So I was like, well, why
I
don't we go
always
together,
kinda lean
and
toward
I'll
the
pay
other
for you to get
4%.
in, because she's over 21, and
I
you're
thought it would
paying
be
the same price
liberating,
that I pay for you to get in with both
knowing
of
how
us,
much time
right?
you have left to work with.
Oh, she would want to drink.
It turns out, it's not.
So I just offered that, and I feel like she has to say first. She's still might not want to go. I was thinking that I might buy a drink for Mandy.
For her birthday.
Give her the money, because I can't actually buy. Well, Benny would probably let me. Like, she was the one drinking it, not me,
Don't play cards.
right? Just to pay for her drink.
Thought you'd never ask.
I bet Benny would let me get away with that, but.
Rise and shine. And that?
Oh, yeah.
You see that? And, Thomas, call Maria Christie's, tell her I won't be bidding this season.
I understand. Sir, I don't mean to sound indelicate, but how do you want me to handle your...
Death. Treat it as if it were your own.
So, leave all the money to my assistant?
Go get me one of those almond croissants that I like. And don't buy any green bananas. What are you doing? What is this? Come on, give it back. What is it? Give it back. It's on the floor. I didn't know it was a state secret. My freshman philosophy professor assigned this exercise of forward thinking. He called it a bucket list. We were supposed to make a list of all the things we wanted to do in our lives before we kick the bucket. Cutesy. Anyway, I wrote down things like make $1 million, first black president, you know, young man's wishes. I was gonna redo the list, but then help a complete stranger for the good. Laugh until I cry. Not to be judgmental, but this is extremely weak. Pointless now. I would argue the exact opposite. All right, that's it. What are you doing? A little rewrite, that's all. I mean, don't you want to go out with some balls, guns blazing, have a little fun? It was not supposed to be about guns blazing or anything like that. You're missing the point. What the hell is witness something majestic? Have you ever been to the Himalayas? Driving Mustang Shelby, not bad. I got one, all right. How about skydiving? Now we're onto something. We're onto something?